Okay, one short thought from Pirkei Avos. Shimon ben Shetach, Shimon ben Shetach says, "Havimar belachkar se'edim." He says you should increasingly cross-examine the witnesses. You want to make sure you get to the truth. V'havizohar bidvarecha, and you should be very careful with your words. As many of the Mefarshim explain, meaning when you're cross-examining them, be careful how you ask the questions. They shouldn't shem mitocham yomodu l'shaker. Perhaps by the way you're asking the question, your inflection, your facial expressions, they will learn how to lie based on that. Okay, so it seems simple enough. The Mishnah is teaching a judge to be very careful to get the bottom line, make sure he gets the truth out of the witnesses. He shouldn't do anything which may cause him to reach false conclusions. Sounds simple enough, but there's really a story behind this, and if you think about it, it's mind-boggling. This story is about, the Mefarshim say, about Shimon ben Shetach himself. The story goes that there were some Tzedukim, some Sadducees, which were looking to make trouble. And they framed the son of Shimon ben Shetach, false witnesses. And Shimon ben Shetach's own court, his own Beis Din, found his own son guilty. And he was put to death. So now, that's a very powerful statement. He's telling us, be careful with the witnesses. Make sure you get to the truth, the bottom line, the real story. He thought he was compelled. He thought that was the truth. He's telling you, be really careful. Make sure you get the real truth out of them. Now, that's very powerful if we would leave it there. It occurred to me how powerful this really is. From this entire incident, imagine how Shimon ben Shetach must have felt. We can't imagine. Can you imagine walking away and the only thing that you have to say on the matter is trying to teach a lesson for future generations to be careful with the witnesses? Think about that. It's a very powerful thought. I don't think most people would react that way, and they would have all different other kinds of things to say, reactions to the circumstances which were horrible. So that's an unbelievable thing. What a lesson that can teach us. There can be horrible, horrible things. The question is how we react. What do we do? Always, no matter what happens, always try and, do the best you can to, make positive impressions upon the world and share that with others. Okay.